And welcome back to Idaho Today. Navigating open enrollment can be tricky and understanding the perfect coverage for you and your family, but Your Health Idaho makes it easy for everyone. So we're joined right now by Pat Kelly to give us all the details and help take the stress out of this time of year because, let's face it, Pat, it does come with some stress, right?
It does.
Yeah, it can be a little overwhelming for some. But let's talk about the most important thing, open enrollment season. When did it begin? When does it end?
So open enrollment started October 15th and ends on December 15th.
All right.
It may seem like a long ways away, but it will be here before we know it.
Especially with the holidays crammed in there too, right? We have a lot on our plates.
That's right.
Yes, you want to tackle this while you can. Okay. And then also, what is the benefit though of enrolling with Your Health Idaho?
So Your Health Idaho is the only place where you can receive a tax credit. And tax credits, they act like an instant discount to lower the cost of your monthly premium. Also, at Your Health Idaho is the only place that you can be eligible for what's known as cost share reductions. And these additional discounts are available on silver plans, and they reduce the cost of things like deductibles, copays, and out-of-pocket maximums.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's fantastic to hear. But who's eligible to enroll through Your Health Idaho?
So anyone who is not eligible for Medicaid, they're under the age of 65, and they aren't offered affordable coverage through their employer. They will be eligible to apply and enroll with Your Health Idaho. About 89% of our customers receive a tax credit, and 1 in 4 pay $0 a month for their monthly premium.
Okay, is this the only time of year though that Idahoans can actually enroll in coverage?
Well, open enrollment is the only time to enroll in health insurance, unless you have a really significant life event. So people looking for coverage or health insurance in 2024 should apply now, not wait. And then for those that don't apply, they'll have to wait a whole year. Unless they have a significant life event like getting married or having a baby or losing their current health insurance.
Okay, got it. All right, but I need you to explain the situation for Idahoans who lost their Medicare coverage during the unwinding. So explain the unwinding, because I think some people may not be fully aware either.
Right, so under Medicaid rules during the pandemic, if you were eligible for Medicaid and then became ineligible, say your income changed, you were unable to be removed from Medicaid. When the pandemic ended, the Department of Health and Welfare began reevaluating people. And if they were no longer eligible, then they were removed from Medicaid. We enrolled a tremendous number of people with Your Health Idaho because of that, but we know there are people that are out there that may not be aware that Your Health Idaho is an option. So they have a special enrollment period through the end of November to enroll in 2023 coverage. So that's their significant life event, is losing Medicaid. If they enroll in 2023 coverage, they'll be renewed automatically, so nothing to do there. And if they're just looking for coverage for next year, they can apply during open enrollment up till December 15th.
Okay, all right. What a fantastic option to know about though, right? That you're here.
It really is.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, and we talked about this off the top, that enrolling can be a bit stressful. So where can people go for more information and some help navigating this?
It can be overwhelming. And that's why Your Health Idaho has a network of hundreds of agents, brokers, and enrollment counselors all over the state. They're the experts, and they're no cost to consumers for them to use. You can find an expert in your area by going to our website, yourhealthidaho.org. Click on Find Help, and a list of those experts, again, no-cost experts, will appear in your area.
Okay, and I do want to hit this one more time. Who can enroll?
So anyone who is not eligible for Medicaid under the age of 65 and is not offered affordable employer-sponsored coverage. So that's a long list, but we have lots of help on our website. So there's frequently asked questions and other things that can really help you understand. And we've got some great customer advocates in our support center that are happy to answer questions as well.
Wonderful, Pat. You have been so insightful and also reassuring too on many fronts. Where can our viewers go so they can contact you, get more information, and make sure that they're getting the right coverage that they need?
So you can go to our website, yourhealthidaho.org. Contact Us is a great page to find out how to connect with one of our customer advocates in our support center here in Boise. We also have a live chat function. and also reach out to one of those certified agents, brokers, or enrollment counselors. Expert help for free. You don't see that very often.
No, you certainly do not. And that's something people will most certainly want to take advantage of.
Yes.
My goodness. All right. Thank you so much, Pat. Really
Thanks,
appreciate
Melissa.
it. Everyone, stick around. More Idaho Today coming up right after the break.